squirrel somewhere right over here barking. That didn't take long. I've only been away from the truck about 15 minutes. We got this guy right in the side of the head. Let's see if we can get some more. That's a good start. Today's supposed to be a real windy day. It's supposed to have gusts up to 25 miles an hour, which is not ideal. But I can already hear a squirrel off in the distance barking, so they're definitely out. It's a good sign. When it's real windy, I like to hunt low-lying areas like this right here. I got a big ditch in front of me here. And creek bottoms. So we're gonna give this area right here probably like a 20-minute sit, and then hike on down into creek bottoms, see if we can find them today, and see what happens. Well guys, I stayed in that first spot about 20 minutes, never did see a squirrel. The wind is really beginning to pick up, so I'm gonna head over here to a creek bottom that's real deep. It should be kind of sheltered from the wind, see if we can find some squirrels over there. Let's see what happens. Got him. That looked like a big old gray squirrel. He was just sitting up there on that limb. Wasn't really in the sun, so maybe he saw me and was just hiding. I don't know. Let's go over here and get him. Good looking gray squirrel. I had some comments on some other videos saying that the 22 Magnum was too powerful for squirrel hunting. But right here, I hit him right in the neck and it just came out the other side. The bullets I'm shooting is the CCI total metal jacket, so they don't expand at all and they don't tear up the squirrels. So I don't believe the 22 Magnum is too powerful. If you're shooting hollow points, it can be overly destructive, but not with the full metal jacket. Let's go get some more. Check out this deer stand somebody built. Got a little ladder, a platform. It's all made with zip ties and 2 ratchet straps. Got shooting rails on it. Even got a roof. That's pretty dang cool. This wind's really beginning to pick up. So most of the squirrels I've been seeing have been staying down on the ground rather than up in the trees. So I'm sitting up above the creek. I got this big tree in front of me I can brace my shot off of, and I can see a lot of country from here. So hopefully we can see some squirrels and get a shot at them. Let's see what happens. Now we got one of them. Let's go down there and grab him, and then we'll keep going down the creek, see if we can get on some more squirrels. I heard some barking down here earlier. Let's go see if we can find them. A pretty good looking gray squirrel. Got a real big tail on him. He's actually got an old injury back here on his leg. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of interesting. Actually, his leg's broke. That's not for me, that's an old wound. I hit him right up here in the ear. That's pretty cool. Let's go get some more. We got that one, but there's several more up here barking. See if we can find them real quick. Well, I never could find the squirrel that was barking at me, so I'm gonna walk over here and get the one that we shot. Another good looking gray squirrel. Got him right in the side of the head. But it's getting about time for me to leave. So I'm gonna head to the house, cook up my squirrels. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.